Here's why the rule of law matters. This is a cell phone. This is a smartphone, okay? I'm holding it up if you're listening. This is a smartphone. It is a tool. It's a tool for doing something. With it, I can get on the internet. I can talk to people. I can do research. I can do anything I want with this amazing instrument. What if Nancy Pelosi came along and said, oh my God, the children are suffering because Klavan has this phone. Get rid of the phone. We'll still be able to talk to each other. We'll still, it's about heart. It's about feeling. It's about compassion. It's about Jesus. Get rid of the phone and we'll still be able to talk to each other. Well, of course, that's nonsense. That's a tool. That's a tool for communicating. Without that tool, I'm just shouting at people, right? Without that tool, I can't get on the internet. The law is a tool in this country for equality and freedom. The rule of law is our tool for equality and freedom. You cannot throw it away and have your equality and your freedom any more than you can throw away that phone and still get online in the palm of your hand, okay? Here's how it works. I'll use LeBron James because I know it drives the left mad whenever I use LeBron James. LeBron James is privileged. He has stuff I don't have. I have exactly the same amount of desire and drive to be a pro basketball player that he does, but he got born with the talent. He got lucky, so he's got millions more dollars than I have. He plays sports. He's famous. He's got all this stuff that I don't have. If LeBron James does something really bad, beats up somebody, say, if I beat up somebody, we go before a judge. The rule of law is supposed to be the same for both of us. That's the way that we are equal. That is the way we are equal, and it's the only way that equality can be preserved. Once you start to say, well, LeBron James, I kind of dig him. I watched his games, and Klavan, I don't know who he is, so let's put Klavan in jail. But, I use some heart. Let's have some compassion. Once the rule of law falls apart, we're no longer equal. Now LeBron James's money, his luck, his privilege overrides me and my fair treatment. Only by obeying the rule of law do we have equality. What about freedom? Freedom is the same thing, right? You're free if the law, we elect representatives. Our representatives make the law. These guys represent us. That's why they're called representatives. They represent us. So they go and they make the law on our behalf, right? If that law is just thrown aside, is disobeyed because somebody at MSNBC thinks it's not nice, then we have lost our power through our representatives. When Barack Obama said, I'm not going to support the Defense of Marriage Act, we're simply not going to prosecute people who violate the Defense of Marriage Act, he became king. He's king now. But the laws that my representatives passed don't matter anymore. You don't like the Defense of Marriage Act? Override it, veto it, have your representatives go to Congress, get rid of it, get rid of the law. That's how you do it. That's how it works. If they're not doing it, you are not free. If they're not enforcing the law, so it's hilarious to see the people who enforce the law saying, what do you do? This is incredible you're enforcing these laws. How can you do that? Change the law. It's up to you.